Cellular rejuvenation. Scientists identify key proteins for tissue repair. Researchers at the University of California, San Francisco, have pinpointed a combination of 4 proteins known as transcription factors that can effectively reverse aging-related decline in cells. The findings, published in a new study, suggest a potential pathway to revitalize tissue regeneration and improve organ function in older organisms. The aging process and cellular decline as living beings age. Their bodies naturally become less efficient at repairing and maintaining tissues. This process leads to gradual decline in organ function, increased susceptibility to disease, and decreased overall health. The study directly addresses this decline by identifying specific molecular mechanisms that can be manipulated to restore youthful cellular behavior. Key findings. For transcription factors, the research team used computational modeling to compare gene expression patterns in young versus old human fibroblast cells, connective tissue cells. From a list of 200 potential candidates, they narrowed down the list to 4 transcription factors: E2F3, EZH2, STAT3, and ZFX. When these proteins were increased in liver cells of elderly mice, the researchers observed significant improvements. Reduced fat and scarring in the liver, enhanced glucose tolerance, indicating better metabolic function. Similar effects were also observed in lab-grown human fibroblast cells, where increased cell division and energy levels were reported. Universal blueprint for cellular rejuvenation. The fact that these transcription factors had rejuvenating effects in both mice and human cells suggests that the underlying mechanisms are highly conserved across species. This indicates the possibility of a broader application to other tissues and organs, potentially offering a universal approach to slowing or reversing age-related cellular decline. These results suggest a shared set of molecular requirements for cellular and tissue rejuvenation across species. The researchers stated in their paper, remaining questions and future research. Despite the promising findings, the study remains in its early stages. The experiments were conducted over a short period, weeks, leaving unanswered questions about long-term safety and efficacy. The protein EZH2, in particular, has been linked to cancer when overexpressed, so careful monitoring would be crucial. The research also focused on only a few cell types, meaning the results may not be directly transferable to all tissues. However, given the growing global population and increasing lifespans, further investigation into these cellular rejuvenation pathways is warranted. Ultimately, this study offers a foundational step towards understanding how aging can be manipulated at the molecular level. While widespread application is still distant, the identification of these key transcription factors opens up new opportunities for treating age-related diseases and improving overall health in aging populations.